Students, let us continue from previous class. 5 questions we have completed in theory of equations chapter, solved problems, page number 115. Given that, now sixth question, given that the sum of two roots, given that the sum of two roots of x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 21 is equal to 0 is 0. Sum of two roots of x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 21 equal to 0. Find roots of the equation. Find all roots. Sum of two roots is 0. Let alpha comma minus alpha comma beta comma gamma be the roots. Let us remember the formula alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to 2. Sum of roots. So we can write alpha minus alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2. Alpha minus alpha get cancelled. So beta plus gamma is equal to 2 we got. Next, let us remember the S2. Alpha beta, the formula alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. Using the concept, we can write here alpha into minus alpha plus alpha into beta plus alpha into gamma. Alpha beta alpha gamma alpha delta completed. Now beta delta means minus alpha beta gamma means minus alpha beta delta, so minus alpha gamma delta means here plus beta gamma is equal to here minus plus it is, so it is 4. Now we can understand alpha beta plus minus get cancelled, alpha gamma plus minus get cancelled, so minus gamma minus alpha square, no use, minus alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 4. Now S3, so this is S2, this is S3 concept, this is S1 concept. Alpha beta gamma alpha beta gamma plus alpha gamma delta plus alpha beta delta plus beta gamma delta, that is S3. So alpha into minus alpha into beta plus alpha into beta into gamma plus alpha into minus alpha into gamma plus means here minus alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus plus again minus, this is minus 6. Now minus alpha beta gamma get cancelled, that implies minus alpha square into beta plus gamma we can write minus alpha square taken common among these two values. Minus alpha square into beta plus gamma you can write here it is minus 6. So minus get cancelled, put it is 1. From 1 we can write here. From 1 beta plus gamma is equal to 2. So alpha square into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore alpha square is equal to 3. Therefore alpha is equal to plus or minus root 3. We can understand alpha comma minus alpha, both roots we got roots, 2 roots I am writing. 2 roots we got here, that is equal to root 3 comma minus root 3. So by Arnold synthetic division we can prepare a quadratic equation. Now QE with roots. Whenever you are getting alpha square, if you substitute beta gamma here, beta gamma will be getting 3 plus 1. Okay, in any method, no problem. Okay, we can write QE with roots. QE with roots, root 3 gamma minus root 3 becomes is x square minus 0 into x plus of this is minus 3 equal to 0. So by Horner's synthetic division method, we can write by Horner's method. We can divide this quadratic equation with by quadratic equation. 1 minus 2, 4, 6 minus 21. Put here, this is a 0, this is a 0, triangle 0, this is a 0, x power 4 term, x cube term, x square term, x term constant. Put like this, triangle 0, put here, this is a 0 and this is a 3. Now 1 into 0 becomes 0, this is minus 2 into 0, of course it is 0, 1 into 3 it is 3, this is 7, 7 into 0 it is 0, and minus 2 into minus 3 becomes minus 6, this is 0, 0 into 0, 0, 7 into 3 it is 21, of course this is 0, leave it. Now you can write this is g of x. G of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. No imaginary roots, there are no factors. Use the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2 plus or minus I root 22. 4 minus 20 becomes 24. 24 minus 24. So it is I square. I into 2 root 6. One step ahead. Minus 24 by 2. Minus 24 becomes I square. You can write here 2 plus or minus I into 2 root 6 because 4 into root 6. 4 into 6 is 24. So that is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 6. Therefore, roots are, we can write first one, roots are root 3 comma minus root 3 comma 1 plus I root 6 comma 1 minus I root 6. These are the roots, 2 real roots and 2 imaginary roots we got for the equation by quadratic equation. Sixth one completed. Let us going to write seventh question. Solve. A rule I am writing. If roots of a cubic equation, roots of a cubic equation are in AB, then let a minus d comma a plus d are roots. A minus d comma a plus d are roots. If roots of a biquadratic equation are in AB, then a minus 3d comma a minus d comma a plus d comma a plus 3d. So whenever it will be getting cancelled and difference is equal here, 3 minus 1 1 3 like that. So difference is 2 here, difference is 1. Like that you should think. R roots. Then you will be getting alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta value 4a generally in easy method. Of course alpha, beta, gamma, delta like that also you can think, but this is easy method. Next, this is first one. Second rule, second one. If roots of a cubic equation, roots of a cubic equation in GP, in geometric progression, then let a by r comma a comma ar be the roots. A by r comma here be the roots. A by r comma a comma a. In this second one, if roots of a biquadratic equation are in GP, then total 4 roots. So a power 4 you should get. The similar way, a by 2r ar here a by r will be getting cancelled, r and r will be getting cancelled, a cube will be getting. In the way a power 4 we should get here. So 2r like this. In the similar way we can think a by 2r a to ar like that we should think. A by 3r if we write here ar 3r r and r will be getting cancelled. A power 4 you will get yes. So a by r square we think. A by r square a ar but t2 by t1 should maintain in proper way. A by r square a by r power 4 if we put students. A by r power 4 this is r square and ar square. It is also not correct. A by r cube a. Just wait for a while. The condition is total 4 terms. First term t2 by t1 is equal to like that. We should get t2 by t1 is equal to t3 by t2 manner. t3 by t2 by and the similar way t4 by t3 also. Like that we should think. Depends upon this a by r, the common ratio terms will be getting cancelled. Now let us think a by, if you are thinking a by r power 4 and last term ar power 4 and the middle term it is a by r power 4 and it is r square, it is r square. Yes, it is correct. A by r power 4, a by r square, ar power 4. This and this total will be getting cancelled. A by r square, a by r power 4 plus a by r square plus r square, r power 4. Like that, if we think here, a by r square, if we think students here, a by r square, a by r comma ar, it is also better. A by r square, ar, now whenever you are multiplying, a by r square, it is better. So, if roots of biquadratic equation are in GP, then you write here a by r square comma ar comma ar, a by r comma ar comma ar square are roots. Next, third one. First, if roots of a cubic equation, if roots of a cubic equation are in AB, no, not A, HB. If roots of cubic equation are in harmonic progression, then 1 by a minus b, 1 by a minus b, 1 by a, 1 by a plus b are roots. If roots of a biquadratic equation, biquadratic means x power 4 pi, biquadratic equation are in HP, then 1 by a minus 3d, 1 by a minus d, 1 by a plus d comma 1 by a plus 3d are roots. Or better to take or convert the given equation as reciprocal equation. That implies f of 1 by x equal to 0. Whenever you are converting the given equation to reciprocal method, then f of 1 by x equal to 0. Then roots becomes in AP. So if f of x roots are in harmonic progression, then f of 1 by x roots are in arithmetic progression and vice versa. So whenever you given roots are in harmonic progression, you better to convert f of 1 by x, take reciprocal equation and get the roots as AP concept, a minus d, a plus d like that, or a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d concept, it is better. Now let us discuss about some useful formulae which is useful for objective also. Of course, there are sums of exercise 4b Roman number 3 concept. After completion of these three, I will say next exercise. Exercise 4b. These are IMP 2 mark sums and useful objective formula. This is also like theory I am going to discuss with you. Exercise 4b, Roman number 1, 3 and 4 I say. Roman number 3. Given that the roots of x cube plus 3bx square plus 3qx plus r equal to 0 are in first problem AP, second problem CP, third problem HP. Find all conditions. Find all conditions. So if the equation given as cubic equation, what is the condition that the roots are in AP, condition that the roots are in AP, condition that the roots are in HP? That is the sum. Of course, you given the proofs, but I am discussing with you. You should remember these sums as a formula. Now, AP I am writing. Let roots be a minus d comma a comma a plus d. That implies S1 you can write. Sum of roots a minus d plus a plus d is equal to here minus 3p. For the equation f of x is equal to x cube plus 3px plus 3q plus r, we can write minus 3p, here b minus 3p cancel. So we got 3a is equal to minus 3p, therefore a is equal to minus p. Whenever a is also root among the three roots to the given cubic equation, since you can write, since a is a root of f of x, so given value. Since a is a root of f of x, that implies you can substitute instead of a the value minus p is the given equation, you will be getting the condition. Here you can write minus p cube plus 3p into minus p whole square plus 3q into minus p plus r equal to 0. So it becomes minus pq plus 3p cube. 3p cube minus p cube gives 2p cube. That implies the required condition you can write 2p cube is equal to 3p cube minus r. Otherwise 2p cube plus r is equal to 3p cube. That is the given formula. 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r, simply given 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r is equal to 0. Like this given. 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. This is now next one, second question. For GP and right, this is for AP. Whenever the roots of cubic equation are in GP, we can think a by r comma a comma a are of the roots. Let a by r comma a r be the roots. Now you should consider whenever the roots are in AP, you should consider sum of roots. Roots are in GP, you should consider product of roots. Because if you are multiplying here a by r into r and r will be getting cancelled, you will be getting a cube. A cube is equal to r like that. Now product of roots. Product of roots, that is S3. Product of roots S3 is equal to a by r into r is equal to here minus r. So r maybe here any capital R you think. Don't get capital. Here capital R, of course this will be getting cancelled. A by r into capital R here, r and r will be getting cancelled. Now a cube is equal to minus r by r. A cube is equal to minus r. So a is equal to minus r whole power 1 by 3. Minus r whole power 1 by 3. Since a is a root of f of x. Since a is a root of f of x, that implies substitute the value a is equal to minus r in, substitute the value. So a is equal to minus r in f of x. So it becomes minus r whole cube plus 3p into r square minus 3q into r plus r is equal to 0. Students, a is equal to not minus r here, a is equal to minus r power 1 by 3. Minus r power 1 by 3, not minus r directly. So a is equal to minus r whole power 1 by 3 here it should write. Once again I am writing. This is minus r power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3p into minus r power 1 by 3 whole square plus 3q into minus r power 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0. That implies 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled here. Minus r power 1 by 3 whole square becomes plus r. So this is 3p r square. No, it is power 2 by 3. This is minus 3q r power 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0. Minus r and plus r will be getting cancelled. Now it becomes 3p r power 2 by 3 is equal to 3q r power 1 by 3. Now you can write cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. By getting cancelled 3, 3. It becomes p cube. P cube r square is equal to q cube r. R is getting cancelled, r square times the value we got p cube r is equal to q cube. It is an important objective bit. P cube r is equal to q cube. P cube r is equal to q cube. Now let us discuss about the condition of harmonic progression. If the roots of this same cubic equation are in HP, then we need to calculate the condition. To get the concept of harmonic progression, we should calculate about reciprocal equation. Now, for HP I am writing for harmonic progression, f of x we write f of x is equal to x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0. Let us consider f of 1 by x. So taking reciprocal equation, it becomes 1 by x cube plus 3px square plus 3q by x plus r is equal to 0. That implies it becomes rx cube plus 3qx square plus 3px plus 1 equal to 0. Let it be second equation, it is first equation. If we should calculate the condition of harmonic progression for the quadratic equation, for the cubic equation of original f of x, we should think 1 by a minus d comma 1 by a comma 1 by a plus d are in HP. Now, whenever we are taking the reciprocal equation of original f of x, we can construct now a minus d comma a plus d model. Now, right here, let roots of 2 I am writing. Let roots of 2 be a minus d comma a plus d. Now you can understand s1 is equal to a minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus 3q by r. Minus d plus d getting cancelled. Here you can write 3a is equal to minus 3q by r. 3 will be getting cancelled. A is equal to minus q by r. Since a is the root of second equation, you can substitute here. Since a is the root of 2, second equation I am writing, substitute the a, that means minus q by r. So r into minus q by r whole cube plus 3q into minus q by r whole square. This is q by r. Q by r whole square plus 3q into minus q by r plus r equal to 0. You can understand here minus q by r square plus 3q by r square, because minus q whole square becomes plus q. Minus this is 3q square by r plus r equal to 0. That implies 3q cube minus q cube becomes 2q cube. 2q cube taken r square and LCM, you get here 3q square r. 3q square r plus here r square LCM, it becomes r cube equal to 0. So required condition is 2q cube is equal to, whenever you are taking common as r, it becomes 3q square minus r square. 2q cube is equal to r into 3p cube minus r. So whenever here r square LCM, r square here 3q square r cube is there, 2q cube, 3q square, here r1 we should take common. It is correct, 3q square minus r square, but according to condition we got here 2q cube is equal to r into 3p cube minus r. I think this is p, we did wrong here. It is 3p, yeah, plus 1. We got the equation r into 3px plus 1, simply 1. So this is simply 1. This is 3p minus 3p cube. Now once again we should write the condition. 2q cube, you can write 2q cube. This is 2q by r square minus 3pqr plus r square equal to 0 by taking r square LCM. So required condition is 2q cube is equal to, whenever r taken common, it is 3p cube minus r. 2q cube is equal to r into 3p cube minus r. This is the condition of harmonic progression. If roots of given equation are in harmonic progression, this is the condition. These AB, GP, HP conditions directly they are given as unset bits. Of course, not mains. Simply unset bits. Now let us discuss fourth question in exercise 1. Find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r is equal to 0 may have the roots are in GP. May have roots are in GP. Geometric progression. Let here a by r comma a r be the roots. This is a 2 marks IMP question in IP. 2 marks. A by r comma a r is the roots. That implies product. Take here capital R. A by r comma a product of roots S3. I am writing here a by r into a r is equal to simply small r will get cancelled. A cube is equal to small r. A cube is equal to small r. So a is equal to r power 1 by 3. Since a is the root of f of x, substitute the value. Since a is the root of f of x, because we thought a by r comma a r, a is a root among all the three roots. F of x, that implies substitute the value r power 1 by 3 whole cube minus p into r power 1 by 3 whole square plus q into r power 1 by 3 minus r is equal to 0. Here 3 will be getting cancel, r minus r becomes 0. This is minus p r power 2 by 3 plus q r power 1 by 3 equal to 0. That implies q r power 1 by 3 is equal to p r power 2 by 3. Now you can write cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So here cube r is equal to p cube r square. R will be getting answer r square times. So you can write p cube r is equal to q cube. This is the repeated question in IPE 2 marks question. Now from my end, in exercise 4b, Roman number 1 completely I said. Of course I did not say Roman number 1 first question second question. I am giving homework to you, first question, second question. 3, 4 I said in Roman number 1. In Roman number 2, each and every question I am giving homework. After completion of examples, I will say Roman number 3. Now let us go for the page number 118. Maybe from 6th question, 7th question, page number 116, 7th question. 7, 8, 9, 10 will be complete. Example 7. Solve 4x cube. Solve 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equal to 0. Given that roots of this equation are in arithmetic progress. Roots are in AP. So roots are in AP for the equation. If the roots are in AP, we can think let a minus d comma a plus d be the roots. A minus d comma a plus d be the roots. Whenever a minus d comma a plus d be the roots. Now, sum of roots s1 we can understand a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 24 by 4, that is 6. That implies 3a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 2 we got. Whenever a is equal to 2 we can understand the Horner's synthetic division model. By Horner's method I am writing. By Horner's synthetic division method, we can write here divide with 2. Put like this, this is 4 minus 24, 23 and 18. Here 2 is a root, put here 0 with 1 root I am dividing. Here 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 24 plus 8 becomes minus 16. 16 into 2, this is minus 32, 23 minus 32 gives 9, that to minus 9, minus 18, this is 0. So g of x you can write as g of x is equal to 4x square minus 16x minus 9 equal to 0. 4 9 is 36. Depends upon 36, we got here 60. 12 3s are 36. Factors are not there. If factors are not there, let us write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square. Minus 4a 36 9 is 144. So 420. 8 into the factors are there. Four 9 is 36 depends upon 4 9 is 36 concept. We can write 4x square minus 18x. 4x square minus 18x plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. 2x we can take common, it becomes 2x minus 9 plus 1 we take common, 2x minus 9 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma x is equal to 9 by 3. X means here maybe a minus b, another 2 roots we got. If a is equal to 2 we got. Other roots are minus 1 by 2, 9 by 2 directly we can write. Let us say minus 1 by 2 comma. Both roots we got for the 7th equation, minus 1 by 2 comma 9 by 2 and 2. Therefore, roots are minus 1 by 2 comma 9 by 2 is better. 2 plus 4 by 2 and 9 minus 2, maybe 5 by 2 is the common difference. Let us discuss 8th question. Solve x cube minus 7x square. 8th question. Solve x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. X cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. Roots are in GP. roots are in GP. Whenever the roots are in GP of the biquadratic this cubic equation, we can think here let a comma a by r, right? A by r comma a r with the roots. A by r comma a with the roots. Now S3 product of roots you can take a by r into a into r. A by r into a into r is equal to minus half minus a minus plus minus. So it is simply 8. R and R will be getting cancelled. That implies we got a cube is equal to 8. A cube is equal to 8. You got, so a is equal to 2. Using Arnold synthetic division method, whenever 2 is a root, by Arnold's method we can get the quadratic equation. Here put here 1 minus 7 14 minus 1 minus 7 14 minus 8 and put here it is 0, put here 2 1, this is 2, minus 7 plus 2 becomes minus 5, this is minus 10, this is 4, 4 to the 8, this is 0. So let us write the g of x. G of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. You can take x common, it becomes x minus 4 minus 1 taken common, it becomes x minus 4. So x is equal to 4 comma x is equal to 1. Therefore, roots in order you can write 1 comma 2 comma 4 are in GP, they are the roots. Next, 7 completed, 8 completed. Let us discuss about 9th question. HP did not give. Solve x power 4 minus 5x, x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Given that the product of two roots is 0. Given that product of two half its roots is 3. Product of two of its roots is 3. So we can think students, let f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Let us try f of 1 minus 5 plus 5 plus minus 5 just we got 10. So 1 is a root we got easily. Let alpha is equal to 1. Product of 2 roots equal to 3. So other root is equal to 3. That implies we can understand 1 comma 3 are roots. 1 comma 3 are roots. Now, QE with roots. 1 comma 3 is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. By Arnold synthetic division method of biquadratic equation to the quadratic equation, we will get the another quadratic equation. Then we can get the quadratic equation and also we can find roots. By Arnold's method, 1 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 6. Put like this. Students, we are doing the division with the quadratic equation. So minus 4, for minus 4 put 4 and for 3 put minus 3 here. Put the triangle 0 speed and here put 0 here. This is 1 into 4, 4. Now minus 5 plus 4 becomes minus 1. This whatever the new value we got, the value should multiply with the first one. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4 here, and 1 into minus 3, minus 3. So 5 minus 7 becomes minus 2. That minus 2 into 4 here, minus 8, and minus 1 into minus 3 here, 3. This is 0. Of course, 0 into 4, that is 0. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, this is 0. Now you can write g of x. G of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X taken comma x minus 2 plus 1 taken common x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 comma x is equal to 0. Therefore, roots are. First of all, we got 1 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma. Students, we should do the sum in another method. Originally alpha, beta, gamma, delta, lightning we should consider, but it is somewhat lengthy sum. So we did not do according to that procedure. So at last we should write product of two roots. Whatever the condition he given, we should write product of two roots. Product of two roots equal to 3, like that. If you write the whatever the condition he given, the condition is satisfied. Because 1 into 3, you can write here also 1 into 3. So 1 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. If you do the textbook method or any guide method or this method, you will be getting same marks, 7 marks. So no need to confuse and no need to get any worry about the method. This is easy method. Now 10th question is there. Given that it has 2 pairs of equal roots. Solve x power 4. 10th question. Solve x power 4 plus 4x cube, x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. Given that it has 2 pairs of equal roots. Two pairs of equal roots. Let us write given f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. Let us try 1 with 1. F of 1 equal to 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 12 plus 9. This is 4, 1, 5, 5, 9, 14, 14 minus 14 equal to 0. So 1 is root. Since 1 is root, a root and equation have pair of equal roots. Equation have pair of equal roots. That implies 1 is a root pairwise. 1 is a root pairwise. That implies 1 comma 1 both are roots. Here you can understand roots are equal. 1 comma 1 both are roots. Now QE with the roots 1 comma 1 is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Using this equation, now by Horner's method, we can understand here this is 1, 4, minus 2, minus 12 and 9. 1, 4, minus 12. Put here 0, 0, 0, triangle 0 concept, and here it is 0. Put here this is 2 and this is minus 1. This is 1. This is 1 into 2 becomes 2. Here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 2s are 12. Here 12. And here 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 12 minus 3 becomes 9. 9 into 2, this is 18. And 6 into minus 1, minus 6, of course, this is 0. 0 into 2, 0. And 9 into minus 1, it is 0. Of course, this is 0. So, g of x now you can write. G of x is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Understand, try to understand here. X plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So, x plus 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. You can understand. X is equal to minus 3, comma x is equal to minus 3. Because he said the condition that we are having two pairs of roots are equal. Now, roots are